if you have anything that you need to glue together, like I have this wagon that I'm going to put a wheel back on, I highly recommend this clear Gorilla Glue. This can be used on just about anything. It's clear, there's no foam, and it's indoor and outdoor. It's water resistant. It's 3.75 ounces, and it's got an easy to remove lid on it, and just really all around a very convenient glue to use. Now with other glues, sometimes they can be a real mess. They foam. And a couple of tips to keep in mind with this glue is you want to make sure you store it in at room temperature, and you want to make sure that it's not stored in the dark, because they say here in the label that if you store it in the dark it can tend to turn yellow, and we might associate the yellow color with Gorilla Glue, but this version, the clear version, you want to make sure it stays clear, so store it where there is exposure to light. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this wagon wheel, and I'm using it on wood, and so there's no need for me to apply water. But if I were using it on plastic or metal or any other non-porous surface, I would need to dampen it with water before I applied the glue. So all I need to do is take off the cap, and I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on the inside of this wheel, just a little bit in there, so it will adhere. I don't need a whole lot of glue, but I just put a little bit in there for now, and then I'm going to press it in, and then that will take 2 hours to dry, and to fully cure takes 24 hours. And if you want to see what the glue looks like dry, I don't know if you can see that, but it is clear. This little piece of glue was on my bottle before I used it, and so that's what it looks like clear. So hopefully in a couple hours, my grandson can use this to play with again, and it will be secure. So thanks for watching my review on the clear Gorilla Glue. I highly recommend this, and hopefully it works well for you.